In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily collaborate on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and now we need to create new post. We can tap at that plus sign, and then we can select a photo or video. Collaborate feature works with the regular post and with a reel, so we can select a post or a reel, and then we can just select some picture or video, then hit at next again, and on that step, before hitting at share, we need to tag a person whom we want to collaborate with. So just tap where it says tag people, and then just under the photo you will find this invite collaborator button. You can just tap on it, and on that page you can invite a collaborator to that post, and if they accept it, their username will be added to the post and it will be shared with their followers and shown on their profile. So just let me search for my main Instagram profile, and now I'll invite that profile as a collaborator. So here it is. I can tap on it, and now it says collaborator. Then I can just hit at done, and then share. And after that I can switch to my main profile, and then if I tap right here at that heart icon, it says that this user tagged you in a post. I can just get into it, and now it says that this user invited you to be a collaborator on their post. I can tap at review, and then I can accept or decline that invitation. If you accept, it will be shown on your profile and share to your followers. You will be shown as another author on that post. So in order to collaborate with that user, just hit at accept. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.